Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lukewarm coffee on a hot summer morning? I know I was until I discovered the NUVO cold brew Dutch drip type coffee maker by Tulgigs. This game-changing coffee maker has been a total revelation for me, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. The NUVO cold brew is a king-size, top-rated, and best-selling coffee maker that has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among coffee lovers. One of the things I love about this coffee maker is the rich, smooth flavor it produces, with a velvety texture that's just perfect for sipping on a lazy Sunday morning. The sound of the coffee dripping through the Dutch drip system is almost musical, and the aroma that fills the air is incredible. When you take your first sip, you'll notice the deep, full-bodied flavor that's not bitter or acidic, but rather smooth and refreshing. The result is a cup of coffee that's truly exceptional, with a flavor that's hard to match with other coffee makers. I've used the NUVO cold brew to make coffee for friends and family, and it's always a hit. The large capacity means I can make enough coffee for everyone, and the ease of use means I can focus on enjoying the moment rather than fussing with the coffee maker. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just looking for a great way to start your day, the NUVO cold brew is definitely worth considering. Trust me, you won't be disappointed, and I'm confident that you'll love it just as much as I do. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.